Hey everyone, welcome to the part 2 of the topic MCQs on mechanical properties of solid. So let's move on to the first question. For an ideal liquid, option A bulk modulus is infinite and shear modulus is 0. Option B, bulk modulus is 0 and shear modulus is infinite. And option C, bulk modulus is infinite and shear modulus is also infinite. And option D, bulk modulus is 0 and shear modulus is also 0. So now you can pause the video and think about the answer. So the correct answer for the question is option A, which is bulk modulus is infinite and the shear modulus is 0. So the next question is, the elastic energy stored per unit volume in a stretched wire is option A 1 by 2 of stress by Young's modulus. Option B 1 by 2 of stress square of stress by Young's modulus. Option C 1 by 2 of square of stress divided by square of Young's modulus. And option D 1 by 2 of stress divided by square of Young's modulus. So the correct answer for this question is option B, which is 1 by 2 of stress square by Young's modulus. So coming to the third question is, which one of the following statement is correct in the case of option A, shearing stress, there is a change in volume. Option B, hyaluronic stress, there is no change in shape. Option C, shearing stress, there is no change in shape. And option D, hyaluronic stress, there is no change in volume. So the answer for the question is option B, hyaluronic stress, there is no change in shape. So the fourth question is, identical springs of steel and complex, that is Young's modulus of steel is greater than that of Young's modulus of copper, are equally stretched. So the options are option A, less work is done on copper string, and option B, less work is done on steel springs, and option C, equal work is done on both the springs, and option D, data is incomplete. So the answer for the question is option B, which is less work is done on steel springs. So the fifth question is, the average depth of Indian Ocean is about 3000 meter. The fraction compression of water at the bottom of the ocean is. So the given is bulk modulus of water is 2.2 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square, and the gravity is 10 per meter per second square. So option A 0.82%, option B 0.91%, option C 1.36%, and option D 1.24%. So the correct answer for the question is option C, which is 1.36%. So the next question is, the ratio of tensile strength to the longitudinal strain is defined as option A bulk modulus, option B Young's modulus, option C shear modulus, and option D compressibility. So the answer for this question is, which is Young's modulus. Option B is the correct answer. So coming to the next question, a wire of length L and the radius R is clamped at one end. On stretching the other end of the wire with the force of F, the increase in its length is L. If another wire of the same material but of length 2L and radius 2R is stretched with a force 2F, the increase in its length will be. So coming to the options are option A L by 4, option B L by 2, option C L, and D is 2L. So the correct answer for the question is option C L. So coming to the next question, a square lead slab of side 50 centimeter and the thickness 10 centimeter is subjected to a shearing force of 9 into 10 raised to 4 Newton. The lower edge is reverted to the floor. How much will be the upper edge can be displayed? So the shear modulus of lead is 5.6 into 10 raised to 9 Newton per meter square. So the options are option A 0.16 mm, option B 1.6 mm, option C 0.16 centimeter, and option D 1.6 cm. Okay. So the answer for the question is option B 1.6 millimeters. Okay.